solving equations. All right, so whenever we see questions that look like what I'm going to show you, we have one variable, we have one equal sign, one unknown. So in our calculator, we are just using our menu 3-1. So again, these questions, if you think too much about them, you're going to make it more complicated than it is. It's super simple. We can utilize our calculator and get the right answer and should not miss these kinds of questions. So they can ask this in a few different ways. And so that's what I'm showing you 1 through 6 for these notes so that we know what to look for and know how to solve them. So which value of x makes this equation true? So whenever I see which value of x means I need to solve this. For x, I have only the x and I have one equal sign. So I am just coming to my calculator. Menu 3-1. Solving equations. I'm going to put notes up here. One variable, one equal sign. Menu 3-1. If you can't remember that, menu 3-1, those specific steps, look in my calculator. When I go to menu, we're in algebra class, that's 3. I'm gonna help here. Okay. 1 is numerical solve. That's all I'm doing here for this question, is I'm solving for x. When it says what is the value of x, it means I'm solving. So then I'm typing this in. Sorry for hitting my thing again. 1.25, open parentheses, 4x minus 10, close parentheses, equals 7.5. Typing it in exactly as I see it. I'm not changing anything. I'm putting in the same parentheses. I'm putting in the same equal sign, same numbers, same everything. Make sure at the end you're putting comma x. That is my variable. I'm just telling my calculator what I am solving for. Enter. The answer is 4. That's it. So same thing, same kind of question. What is the value of n that makes this equation true? So this one looks a little bit more complicated because this one we literally had 1x. Here we've got an n here, an n here, and an n here. It still does not make a difference what we're doing. Whenever I see what is the value of a variable, then I'm solving for that variable. I still only have one variable because they're all the exact same. They're all n. I don't have n and q. I've got n, just n, so I still only have one variable, and I still only have one equal sign. So again, you menu 3-1, and I'm typing in this whole thing exactly like I see it. So 4, open parentheses, 0.5, n minus 3, close parentheses, equals n minus 0.25, open parentheses, 12, minus 8, n, close parentheses. So after I put comma, I used an n this time, so I'm going to put comma n, enter, -9. Number 3 says, what is the solution to this? So here's another way that you're going to see. So before it was, what is the value of? This one is, what is the solution? I have one variable. I've only got m here, and I've got one equal sign. So again, it's just menu 3-1. I'm not going to say I can guarantee, but they might ask you in a numerical response question for this same thing. Again, we're just going to our calculator, menu 3-1, typing in all of this exactly like I see it. Negative, open parentheses, 6m plus 8, close parentheses, equals 4, open parentheses, 17 minus m, close parentheses, comma m. Again, I'm typing it in exactly like I see it. There is a negative sign out here in front of the parentheses. I am typing that in. All right, so our answer here is negative 38. So on your test, you will see boxes where you can type in your answer. You'll put in negative and then your 38. You'll just type it in like that. Make sure you put the negative sign because that does make a difference. All right, again, number 5. What is the solution to this? So wants to know what is the x. So menu 3, 1, 8x minus 3, open parentheses, 2x minus 4, close parentheses, minus 4, close parentheses, equals 3, open parentheses, x minus 6, close parentheses, comma, x, enter, and that gives me 30. Same thing, this one's a numerical response. Again, it says what is the solution to this? Menu 3, 1. 34x plus 95 equals 3, open parentheses. Can't even see what I'm typing in. 14x plus 9, close parentheses. Excuse me. Comma x, enter, and that is 8.5. Numerical response, you will type it in just like that. 8, period, 5.